Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have another perfume unboxing for you guys. So a few weeks ago, I did an unboxing for Choo perfumes that I bought from TJMAXX, and then a week after that, I went to the actual store to check out the perfume section and I found another one. This is the perfume. It is Be Delicious by DKNY, and this is Fresh Blossom. Okay, and I got it on clearance for $16. I have been wanting this perfume in forever, and finally I saw one that's on clearance at TJMAXX, and I was just like, you are coming home with me. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. The other day I did a TJMAXX shopping haul, and this was included in that haul, and I didn't open it in that video because I want to do a proper unboxing. I smelled it once in Sephora, I believe, or somewhere, but I kind of forgot what it smells like. So it's going to be interesting. I can smell something beautiful already. And look, the bottle is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, how do I open this? Because the other one, the Be Delicious, the original Be Delicious, you kind of spritz it like in the bottle. But this one is a different bottle. Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. Oh, you open it like this. You twist it. Oh, I see. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. It smells so good. I can smell jasmine. And I can smell rose. And I can also smell grapefruit. So this is definitely a floral and fruity scent. Oh my gosh, I love it. It smells really good. Okay, let me just spray it. Oh my gosh, this is the type of perfume that when I spray it, it makes me feel energized. Okay, I can smell grapefruit in there too. It smells so good. It's a beautiful scent, and I think this is going to be my new floral and fruity perfume. This is literally love at first smell. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm happy. Hopefully it doesn't give me headache. So this is a good blind buy from TJMAXX. I'm really happy with that. Now I am going to talk to you about the two perfumes I bought like 2 weeks ago from TJMAXX.com. So remember the two perfumes that I unboxed a few weeks ago? I bought this blind buy from TJMAXX.com, and my first impression on these perfumes are good. Bottle is pretty, but this one I have to return because the cap, it was leaking. You saw my video. When I spray it, it just kind of dripped along the edge of the bottle. After wearing it a few more times, I noticed I am getting a headache, and I thought it was just my imagination because this doesn't have patchouli, and I know patchouli gives me headache. But then I wore this like before I went to bed, and that was a mistake. That was terrible. I had a headache throughout the night until the morning. So now that I can smell it again compared to the other one, I hate it. I think it's the sweet pea that I am not liking. When I spray this on me, it's not energizing at all. It's just like, mediocre, nothing special, but it smells good. So I would say this perfume is not for me, even though the bottle is so beautiful. I'm a sucker for beautiful bottles, but that is not a good reason to keep it. It has citrus notes in the opening, then it kinda changed to floral scent. I don't smell anything after that. It's just floral and citrus. There is no base note that I can smell. So this one is pretty basic, not unique at all. And it kind of reminded me of Skada Sentiment because I used to have that one, but that one has a powdery note to it. This one doesn't. So it kind of reminded me of that, and that perfume was beautiful, but I did not like it at all. So I gave that one away, and I think it's going to be the same for this one. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So for some reason, these two perfumes are giving me headaches. I don't know what's in it. This one is the Jimmy Choo Illicit, and this is EDP. These two perfumes are EDP, and they are not long lasting whatsoever. I think I would say max is 2 hours. But if you spray it on your clothes, it stay longer, and on your hair, but on the skin, it doesn't, which is kind of annoying. So, I will describe this as kind of deceiving, just because when you spray it on paper, it smells fresh and light and floral. But if you spritz it on your skin, it's actually very heavy, sticky, and gourmand. So I'm not a gourmand type of perfume lover. It's not for me, just because I'm just not into sweet. I don't really care for this one. Smell it like this. It actually smells really good. I can smell floral notes, but then on my skin, I'm not gonna spray it because this one gives me headache as well. But when I spray it on my skin, it actually is very interesting. I can smell ginger, I can smell orange, and I can also smell honey and caramel. And those things to me combined like medicine. So literally this feels like a warm medicine on me, and I hate it. It makes me feel sick. Yeah, and it actually made me sick. For some reason, this is not uplifting at all because it's such a heavy, sticky scent. It has like a syrup nature to it. It's very sticky. I don't like it at all. And it has bitter orange. I was thinking it could be the bitter orange that is just off-putting, or it could be the ginger too. So anyway, this one is going to be returned as well. And it's such a shame because I really want to love these perfume. I really do. Just because they actually smell great. This one smells great on paper, but on skin, no. I can still smell the Be Delicious. It's lingering in the air. It smells so good. I can say that this is going to be my new favorite. And it's not giving me headache at all. This one, the moment I sprayed it, within like 3 minutes, it gives me headache right away. So it has been more than 3 minutes, and I can still smell the scent of this perfume. I can tell already that the projection and sillage of this perfume is really good because I sprayed this like 10 minutes ago, and it's still lingering in the air. I love it. And it's making me super energized, which I absolutely love. That is the type of perfume that I like, that can pick me up and boost my mood. Those two perfumes didn't do that at all. This is such a good find. It's so tiny. This is just 1 fluid ounce. I'm going to put the links to these perfume in the description box below, just in case if you are interested or you want to try them out. I understand that perfumes are very personal. The reaction can vary from person to person. If you want to try Jimmy Choo Blossom and Illicit, go ahead. It smells so good, but my skin just doesn't get along with those perfumes. If you would like to see more perfume unboxing and review, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also do sewing tutorials. And thank you so much for spending your time with me, watching the whole entire video. I totally appreciate that. Thanks so much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!